Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I want to teach you the easiest method how to withdraw your money from Hamster Kombat game, guys. And before I will show you this, I want to tell you that 2 days ago, Bybit launched pre-market trading for Hamster Kombat token, guys. You can see the announcement right here on Bybit, and the good news is that Bybit will be the first place where Hamster Kombat token will be listed. So you can check pre-market trading page. It's ongoing trading, guys. You can see last traded price. It's almost 19 cents. So floor price was 0.201, and from here the price went to the almost 19 cents, guys. You can see the buyers here, you can see the sellers. So people are trading, but this is pre-market trading, guys. I will say that it's speculation price, so you need to be careful with this. But the good news is that Bybit will list Hamster token, and on Bybit you can sell your Hamster token. And now I'll show you the method how to withdraw your your Hamster token from Hamster Kombat game. There will be some steps. You need to do these steps, and you will be ready to withdraw your money from Hamster Kombat game as soon as it will be possible. First of all, guys, you need to have Ton wallet, and the Ton Keeper wallet is the best option, guys. So first of all, you need to create Ton wallet on Ton Keeper. If you don't know how to do it, I already have got a tutorial how to create Ton wallet. It's step-by-step tutorial, and very easily you can create this wallet for Ton. And don't worry, I will leave all of the links in the description. You can see all of these links in the description, all of these steps, so don't worry about this. First of all, you need to create Ton Keeper wallet. Once you will create this wallet, the next thing you can do is connect your Hamster Kombat game to the Ton Keeper wallet. I'm not going to show you this process in this video tutorial because I already have got the video about this process, how to connect Hamster Kombat to Ton Keeper wallet. This is very simple video tutorial. You just need to follow it. Also, the video link will be in the description. And so we already do first and second step. Now we have got Ton wallet on Ton Keeper. Now we already connected the Ton Keeper wallet to our Hamster Kombat game, and the next thing we need to do is buy or deposit Ton coin on Ton Keeper, because to swap Hamster Kombat token or to withdraw it, you need to have Ton coin, because there are some fees and you pay the fees in Ton, guys. So you need to have some Ton coins on your balance to pay the fees. Now, there are two ways how to have Ton coin on Ton Keeper. The first thing you can do is just send Ton coin, for example, from Bybit to the Ton Keeper, or there's another way how to do it. So I will show you both methods how to have Ton coin on Ton Keeper. So first thing you can do is go to Bybit or any exchange, guys, buy Ton coin and send it to your Ton Keeper account. So for example, you have got Bybit account and you want to send your Ton coin to the Ton Keeper wallet. So go to Ton Keeper wallet, just click Ton coin in the coin list. Then you need to click receive. Copy the wallet address, go to any exchange where you can have Ton coin. For example, go to the Bybit, then go to your assets, click withdraw, select Ton coin. You can use a search bar, for example, to find Ton. Then you need to paste the wallet address in this gap. You need to select the network, it should be Ton. The memo tag is not required, you can leave it empty. You need to enter the amount of Ton coin you want to send. For example, you want to send 10 Ton coins. There are some fees, so there is 0.1 Ton fee. So if everything is correct, you can click the withdraw button, and in maximum 2 minutes your Ton coin will arrive on your Ton Keeper account. There is also another option how to have Ton coin. You can buy it on Ton Keeper. So you need to click buy and sell button. And you can see there are some payment providers. For example, you can use Mercurio to buy Toncoin. Just click open Mercurio. You need to enter the amount of USD. You can select any other currencies, your local currency too, guys. For example, the minimum amount is, as I remember, 16 or yes, almost 16. If you the minimum deposit amount is 16 USD. So for example, you want to pay 16 USD, you will receive this amount of Ton coins on your balance. You need to click buy, and in a few seconds you can refresh your page on Tonkeeper and you will see your Ton coin balance. So we have done 3 steps. We have got the Ton wallet, we already connected Tonkeeper to Hamster Kombat, we already have Ton coin on our Tonkeeper balance. And the next step is, if you don't have Bybit account, just create it, because the Bybit will be one of the first places where a Hamster Kombat token will be listed. So you need to have Bybit account. Just create Bybit account, and from Tonkeeper you will send your tokens to the Bybit, and the Bybit will be the exchange where you will sell your tokens. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons, and if you have some questions you can ask me in the comment section.